Welcome to Turn Right Machine Works. My name is Keith. Okay, we've laid these two chains all the way out, and at that end, at this end here, we went ahead and we put our paint roller stick through there. We're pretty close to timing those right on out, okay? Right alongside each other all the way out to here. Now I don't have somebody over there to pull on that end, and we could probably get a little bit more out of it, okay? But this old chain has stretched almost the size of one of the rollers longer than the stock length. So this pin right here and that one right there will break loose, and this is going to be the end link. So we're just we're 2.5 links two links shy of being 13 foot even. Pretty sure this one works on here. Maybe it don't. I need a bigger one? Man. Alright. So I guess I am going to have to show you. I'm going to have to show you how to go ahead and grind off and punch out the pins we need. So we need to grind those two. So let's take this section in the shop, and we'll go grind those and tap them out with a punch. Probably that punch right there. Alright, we got our little die grinder here, and I kind of like it because I can just work on a little area right here. So we're going to grind these two pins off. It actually helps to go just a little bit below that surface so that any of that surface up at the top there is conformed. Now you got to get both of these. You can't just do one, okay, because you're pulling out a whole section. Now we got a good grind on those two. Now we can take it and get two of our metal parallels, come over so we get a span that we can punch between. Alright, we got 3 parallels. Basically this one over here is just to hold up the chain left out here. Now this one here, we're bridging this link right here, so we're supporting it underneath each of these sides, and we're keeping this in line so we don't have to fight this thing laying all over. Now we're going to take in the middle here, and we got a 3-pound maul, which should be enough to bust this loose. And you work a little bit on that side. Well, it could be that easy. Alright, here we go. We're going on some quick dry paint here, and we're going to try to get this bearing up right side here. We want to get it all around, and this is because we're going to go down there and throw it in, and we know it's going to be in for the rest of the season, and I don't want Dave to have to fight to put some paint on it, and we want it to look up to par. Use on this pressure wrench?
Yes.
Big one?
2 big ones. 2 big ones.
Alright, you usually hold the level on here. Let me know more of that. know, we still got play here though.
Yeah, it is right in the line.
Yeah. What about forward and aft? You know, I mean, this way and that way. That's looking good too. Yeah. Let's actually. Let's just see how much it actually takes to bring up what you're talking about and how far you're actually out. Because we're made to pivot there, and this bearing is made to pivot as well. If we take out a half a length, we could be out as much as, you know, twice as much as what we might be out this way, out and not being able to bring it up level. You know what I mean? So we take out, actually put the level on here now. What do we got on here now? You know what I mean? And so, I mean, I think we're still in limits. And I think, let me crank it out just a little bit more. Let's bump it and roll it around with that tension right there, and let's see what we got. It's actually, it's laying out this way a little bit, you know. Every level is going to be just a little bit different, and this is setting here. Allowable tolerances is what we're talking about here. So you got pin drive here. Now what we do want to do is go ahead and, this is what I got you for drop-ins now for safety. Pick the nylock so you don't have to worry about two nuts coming loose. Alright, so those are 3/4 inch wrench on that.
And you realize this is history here.
Yeah.
This is Hyannis Carousel, Cape Cod Carousel history.
There you go.
You're the producer.
I'm trying to be quiet.
Okay. And these just run loose because they're in the safety. They got to be able to expand and contract.
Oh, you mean with electricity?
No,
Just us, right?
Yep.
Okay.
People power.
People power.
By hand first?
Yep.
Okay.
Hey, you want to look in there? You get in there, I know it's fun. Honey, don't you want to look in here?
Oh.
Yeah, we can move it.
We can move it.
Okay, okay.
Okay, we can move the three of us.
All right, all right.
It just takes us a minute to get going. Morris and I both did. Get this going.
See, this is how much you remember last night.
Yeah. Everybody get on, I'll run. I found it not.
Boy, if you're the least bit of seasick,
Yeah, don't play in the middle.
Nico.
How we doing?
we're doing good. It's actually it's going real smooth.
Okay, we ready for electricity? Dave, you're killing yourself. It's already made one revolution.
Yeah. As soon as Dave's right up there. All right. I think she's ready to roll her.
Are you ready to let her roll? He wants to check. Yeah.
Yeah, that seems right?
Yeah. Yeah, I think
It's nice and snug, with a little bit of play.
we give this bearing grease now.
Look at how shiny it is, huh?
Hey, shiny shaft. You have to shine up the rest of it.
That's what Vanessa said. You give Dave that one, he's gonna make us shine the rest of the stuff till it matches.
Do I know you?
Will cheat Vanessa. Will just paint the shaft right.
Now that's that red grease you're talking about?
Yeah.
Yep.
How many people does it take?
I only put a little bit to assemble that thing in there, so good thing I bought it. Okay, we're starting. Okay, we're seeing it come out. Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Go.
How's that feel, Dave? I mean, you
What did you hear?
didn't hear nothing.
I did.
Well, the clock when it started.
Okay.
Okay, and there's our operator. All right, we're ready.
Yes, ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Now, see this side here, see, it's coming really nice and snug.
Well, that's this is the cold side.
Okay.
Yeah.
It was like that before.
Yeah.
And this side's a little
Yeah.
more flat.
Yeah.
So that's what it's called, okay?
Now it must have only climbed up a little bit when she cut it down. You can see it's still down right now. So what we were looking at was probably how it acts when it coats strong. So we'll keep looking at it when she cuts it off. As far as the noise smoothness, is it better, worse?
If you want it done right, cold, turn right. Okay, you want, I'll grab a stop and take a look. Okay, stop. Is this good enough?